Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys Kitchen. Today we are going to make Kerala style Ash Gourd Dal curry recipe. The combination of dal and ash gourd brings to you a special taste and flavor. It's a Kerala special recipe. Let's move to the video. In a cooker, take half cup of toor dal. We have washed, cleaned and soaked toor dal for 30 minutes. Then add 4 cups of diced ash gourd pieces, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons salt, 2 cup of water. Mix all together nicely. Close the lid and cook for 2 whistles on high flame. After 2 whistles, switch off the flame. Open after 15 minutes only. In the meanwhile, we can make the grinded mixture. In a grinder jar, take 3/4 cup of grated coconut, 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds, 3 green chilies, some curry leaves, half cup of water. Grind it into a paste form. Keep it for later use. Now we can open the lid. Ash gourd and toor dal has cooked well. Now add the grinded mixture to it. Stir it well. Cook for 1 minute on medium flame until it starts boiling. When it starts boiling, switch off the flame. Finally, in a pan, take 3 tablespoons oil and heat it. Add half teaspoon mustard seeds. Wait until it splutters. Then add 2 red chilies, 5 to 6 shallots, some curry leaves. Saute it for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame until shallots change to light golden color.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Finally, garnish it on top of it. Mix it well. Our Kerala style Ash Gourd Dal curry recipe is ready. This recipe is usually served along with rice. If we are making in this quantity, we can serve it for 7 to 8 portions.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.